In this video, I'm going to show you how to add input to this batch reactor and make it 2 feeds or even more feeds. So let's first go to this parameter which decides how much flow is put in this reactor. Define this variable in this edit variable dialog box, which is input colon dyn dynamic. This interface shows how this data is presented as feed to the initial ADM1. We are not going to use this data, so we are going to replace it with our own input flow rate. So let's first select all of them and click delete. We have the feed first as initial condition in our last model, which is AD batch at 35 degrees with 1 feed. But since now we are based on that model, we have the first feed as initial condition. So now we only need to add the second feed. Here we have the second feed pause at 7 days. So we are going to add the data as given in this written tutorial. From -1 day, add a value of 0, and the first day 0, and the last day. So follow the instruction in the figure 3.12 in this written tutorial. After we added the data, the interface should show like this. The reason why we have many digits here is because we try to reduce the steps in this simulation calculation, so we get a relatively accurate input value in this syringe batch reactor, which is 3 milliliter per day. Let's click OK.